Welcome to paradise, and I honestly can say that. Just listen. Birds chirping, the breeze of the wind, quiet. This is the Botanica Cayman review, my personal review, that I need to make because this is a hidden gem that everybody needs to know about. This place is one of those places where the pictures don't even do it justice, and they do an amazing job at that. If you're looking to recharge, rest, and exclusivity is also luxury. It's not a crowded property, and you have plenty of space for yourself, your family, and the amenities. That's all I can say. It is what you're going to pay for anywhere else in Grand Cayman. You're going to get so much more here. And guess what? The beach is also not far away. One of the best beaches in Grand Cayman, Governor's Beach, which is about 3 to 4 minutes away. And yes, the umbrella, the chair, all that is part of the amenities with your stay. Yes, and we have robes. Oh, I love robes so much. And when I say this place was immaculately clean, it's one of the cleanest places I've stayed in my travels. But you have to take everything in. Everything that you need to cook a whole gourmet meal, washer and dryer, coffee maker, tea, a cooler for the beach. Come on. Also, please like and subscribe if you're getting value. A phone, if you wanted to call places that want to use your plan or anything else, that's free of charge for you to make local calls. And I wanted to just do a long walkthrough or full walkthrough so you can actually see the size and the space that you're actually getting. Check out the shower. That's basically private for sand and stuff like that. It's not just a 300 square foot room. You literally have a whole cottage to yourself. And they also have bikes, scuba gear. There's so much more that they offer. But I just wanted to give a review so you can actually see the comfort that you can get away from the crowds. It's in a central location. Stores are not far. Grocery stores are not far. And you have your own parking spot. Come on now. Check it out.